Hi guys, welcome to Annie Sky, and today I am going to be showing you guys hacks and Adopt Me. So the first hack is with a balloon. So right now we're just going to teleport to the gift display. So yeah, we're teleporting. Whoa, I bounced way high up in the air. So I actually saw these hacks and I thought they would be pretty cool to try. So the first thing we do is we go on to this, and then we're just gonna press on that monster. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So now we're gonna be getting. Wait, oh no, I went to the food by accident. We're gonna be getting my balloon. Okay, I found a doggy balloon. That should work. Probably it does. This hack is to jump really high up in the sky. So now let's try this. Do I press jump? Oh boy, I'm actually am I gonna land? Am I supposed to land? Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this balloon and fall down. Hopefully I don't die by doing this. Oh boy. Okay, look. Maybe I should teleport to the gifts again. That'll be way faster. Okay, I jumped into the sky again. Okay, so I'm just gonna be getting out of vehicle now, and I'm pretty sure the next one is at the park, if I'm right. Oh, and guys, just for one thing, I'm gonna be showing you guys secret places that barely nobody knows about. So I'm pretty sure you get a rideable pet for this one, actually. It's to fly around the map, I'm pretty sure. I think I'm gonna be getting probably my turkey out. Let's get my turkey. Where is it? Or I can get my pink cat if I can't find my turkey. Yeah, I'm getting. Wait, I just saw the turkey. Here it is. There, got it. Now, I have no idea how this is supposed to work. Just we're supposed to go all the way around the map. Do I get a balloon? I think I may have to get a balloon for this one. It's like flying across the map, I think. I'm not the best at this hack. And 3, 2, 1. Maybe okay, but I was supposed to go right around the map. Guys, this hack is a fail, I think. We're just gonna try it one last time, just to see if it works. Yeah, it doesn't work. So we are gonna move on to a secret place. Let's just get my turkey away. Turkey. Okay, so it's up here. I think most of you know about this secret place, but if you don't, you're gonna need a flashlight. So let's get my flashlight. Okay, let's get my flashlight. I'm happy I have a flashlight. So, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we have to find an area. Is it over here, the area? What? Is it here? think it's... Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna find the area real quick. Oh, I found it. There. Oh, I found it. It's really cool when that happens. So it's, I remember it's here, for sure. There we go. There. It's right here. So this is very good for hiding. Now you can go up here. Find like a good hiding spot. So right now I'm just gonna teleport back to the gifts. Wait guys, I have an idea. You know at the pool party there was like a little, there was a secret door behind it. We're gonna see if that's still there, but right now it's the hot spring. I don't see a secret door. Nope, it's gone. Unless it's over here. There's staircases, kind of. Where? Yeah, it's gone. The next hack I am gonna be showing. Well, it's another place that you're able to get to. You need a balloon, actually. You need a balloon again. And it is at the pizza place. So, okay, it's kind of hard getting there. But you can always use a flight right pad. So, okay, why try people doing that? Stop doing that. Okay, pizza place. You should put the door somewhere else. It's hard for me to get to the secret area with that door there. And, okay, 3, 2, 1, jump. Okay, let's try this. I wasn't even touching that. Oh boy, it's morning already. Guys, so this may take a while, but okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys a easier way. You can always get your grappling hook, your handy grappling hook, and grapple it. Okay, first, what we're gonna want to do is like find something to grapple to, maybe here, and they're perfect. Oh no, I grappled too. Like, here's the pizza place's floor. Like, I find this place really cool. The next place is the ice cream shop. So, I actually never thought of how I get out. Because I'm not teleporting to the gifts this time. I have an idea. Although we go back here. And we're done. This one you're gonna be needing a flyable or rideable pet. Oh, what just happened? Oh well, I'm gonna get my turkey out again. Guys, there are a bunch of strollers, but my absolute favorite is the default. It's kind of easier to glitch. Look. Oh wait. Here. There you go. Like you can spy on people again. Like, but I'm actually gonna get a flyable pet so I can fly up there. I'm gonna get Kiki. Let's go, Kiki. And then you guys can like spy on people. It's so cool. Just go. We're actually at the ice cream place. So, like, I'm just like somebody walks in, you can spy on them. The next one I will be. Well, this one's actually the coolest one, probably. It's at the coffee shop. I didn't really feel like, yeah. So let's go there. So this one is for finding a noob. So let's get out our default stroller. Come on. Okay. Now all we have to do is press ride or fly. Then look. You can also spy on people. But look at this. There's like somebody watching Archer. Oh, and we're gonna go to the pet shop right now. Let's teleport to the nursery. And let's go to the pet section. Pets are over here. I'm not going to be needing Kiki anymore, so let's just get rid of her. Okay. Now you see Doug. He doesn't have pants. Guys, we should write a letter to the, Doug needs pants. Oh, I accidentally spoke to him. But Doug seriously needs pants. Oh, and his outfit, you're actually able to get it. It's pretty cool. Easy. Okay. So, guys, do you know what? I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!